Hey guys, good morning. Today's gonna be a day in my life as a stay-at-home mom of an almost 3-month-old. As you can hear, she is waking up. My fiance just left to work. I am tired, always tired. And if you guys haven't checked out my last video, you guys will know all the tea. So I'll just link that up below if you missed that video. But this is just gonna be a day of my life. It's around 5:40 something. It's almost 6. So I'm gonna get up soon. I'm gonna relax for like 10 more minutes and then I'm gonna wake up and get myself ready so I can feed the baby, change her diaper, everything like that. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to this channel and I'll post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. She does co-sleep next to us in her bassinet. And yeah, she's so adorable. She's right there. But yeah. My eyes look swollen, but they're not. Oh my goodness. She's literally asleep and I'm changing her diaper. Currently at the moment, she does fit 0 to 3, but it's kind of big on her. She's still fitting newborn, so I do have her in her newborn clothes still. And she also just recently moved from her newborn diaper to her size 1 diaper. So now I'm gonna make her bottle, and currently she is drinking 4 ounces. I tried 5 ounces. It worked, but I feel like she was spitting up. Like the next day she was spitting up more, so I was just like, okay, we'll go back to 4 ounces, and she's better now. So we're back to 4 ounces. Soon I think I'm just gonna move up to 4.5, because that's what I did from 3. I went from 3 to 3.5, then I went to 4. So that's, I think, what I'm gonna do soon. She's currently awake. She's moving around. She's yawning, but yeah. So the formula that we use is the Canon formula. She would fart in my video. This is made with whole milk, and this is the infant formula milk-based powder with iron. This has worked wonders for her. When she first left the hospital, she was on Similac. She wasn't latching, so they gave her Similac, and that was not good for her stomach. It was not it. And luckily she latched on and everything. She was able to get, you know, my milk. The last time when we went to her 2-month appointment, she didn't make weight that she's supposed to, so just decided to go full on formula the whole day. So that actually worked, because in 2 weeks she gained 2 pounds. She's just been on this formula. She really likes it. She's literally staring at the bottle right now. But I usually just swirl it around, make sure everything's mixed up. We used the Nook bottles as well. We had Dr. Brown and we had Nook bottles, and then we noticed that the Nook bottles were better, so that's what we're using. So I'm going to put this in Dr. Brown's bottle warmer, and for about 2 minutes and 45 seconds, and then sometimes it's warm, sometimes it's not. So sometimes I put it back in, or sometimes I just take it out. Notice that if it's too cold or if it's too warm, she'll spit up. more, so we have to make it like a perfect temperature. So yeah, this is going to be going into the bottle warmer. Look at the baby. Good morning, my precious. Good morning, my love. He's laughing. Hi, good morning, my love. Good morning. You want to say hi to everyone? Say hi. Good job, Mama. I'm gonna heat up the milkies, okay? Okay? Yeah, tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. How are you, Mama? Good morning. So after I feed her and I burp her, I put her in the bobby in the bassinet, and then I put on TV for her. So I either put Bluey on or Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, and she watches that while I go make breakfast for myself. While Bluey is playing in the background, I just wanted to show you guys my sandwich. I kind of messed it up, but I just made a fried egg and I just put it on bread and we're just gonna eat it. I put salt and pepper on top. But yeah, I should have toasted the bread more. I was too impatient. First snap of the day. So yesterday I was able to read while she was sleeping because she was sleeping in the bassinet, but currently she's just sleeping on me. So I think I'm gonna take a nap too because yeah, I'm actually tired because I think if I open up that book I would probably fall asleep on the book. Yesterday I did pretty good. I read like 25 pages maybe. They did pretty good because lately I have not been reading. I should be getting back on my reading game, but I haven't. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I was into books and all that, and I haven't been able to read because all my attention's on her. So yeah, gotta get back into the reading. But I will definitely show you guys the book that I'm reading later on. So we took a nice long nap, so I'm gonna change her diaper and feed her again. So usually now I talk to her and I like sing the ABCs, I spell her name out, I read these books. I also have other books, but currently I'm reading these little books, so like because they're like have noise and then she can actually grab them. And lately she's been pointing at them. Like I was like, point at this, and she'll point at it. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Oh my goodness. Numbers. Next is colors. I'm gonna get the nail filer, the one that is from Frida Baby, and I'm gonna file her nails out. Her nails be growing like every 2 days. Like she got some healthy nail beds. She's looking at me, she's like, huh? What'd you say? Yesterday I ordered Panera and I didn't eat the whole sandwich, so I'm gonna eat it right now. And I ordered a brownie and I forgot they gave me chips as well. I was just so upset yesterday because the Uber Eats driver was so slow, so I barely ate my meal because at that point I was just like, I'm over it. Sorry, the TV is playing in the background, but the baby is getting sleepy, but she's getting like very fussy. I'm gonna eat this quick so then hopefully like she'll end up falling asleep, but if she doesn't, then I'll like put her on my chest and have her fall asleep. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my meal real quick. fastest shopping trip of my life. Let's go.
I haven't worn this joint in mad long. What are you recording?
I'm doing a day in my life.
Interesting.
Want to say hi? I'm refilling the baby's bottles real quick. He's gonna go do a book podcast. And I'm gonna go take a shower real quick. All done taking a shower. Tummy time. So currently the baby is watching Bluey, but I have it on mute right now because I'm going to tell you guys which book I'm reading. I'm reading The Housemaid is Watching by Frida McFadden. This is book 3 out of the Housemaid series, and I really like the series, so I had to pick this one up. And I'm on page 60, 70 something at the moment. I was reading another book and then I did not even finish that one. Like I said in the beginning, I gotta get back to reading because I've been so busy with her that I have not been able to read. So I gotta get back to reading. So hopefully I do finish this book because since it's part of the series, God bless you. So since it's part of a series, I might as well finish the series and stuff like that. I also do have to finish the Inheritance game series. I have to finish reading the Brothers Hawthorne and the Games Untold. The author is coming out with another book soon, so I have to read those two before the new one comes out. So hopefully I get to do that soon, but this is what we are dealing with right now, so yeah.
Previously on Power.
This is a big rich town. I just come from the poorest part. This is where it goes down. Yeah, I just see the come apart.
So it's the next day and I did not end the video like always, but after my fiance came back from doing the podcast, we were watching Power, and we usually either watch a TV show or a movie at night, and I usually fall asleep. But yesterday I was up and I was watching Power. We watched like 2 episodes of Power 3. I'm not really sure, but it's a really good show. He already watched the whole thing. He watched all the seasons, all the books. He just wants me to watch it now, and I need to catch up. So that's what I'm doing, but I want him to watch it with me. She was sleeping. She actually woke up in the middle of the night. She woke up at 3 a.m. Usually it's not like her. She usually goes to sleep before 12 and then wakes up around 5 or 6. So that was kind of unlike her. And I guess she was hungry, so then I fed her. And then she went straight to sleep. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.